As industries increasingly prioritize sustainability, eco-friendly ESD vinyl flooring options are becoming popular for environments that require static control. These sustainable choices not only enhance safety but also contribute to environmental responsibility. Energy efficiency: production processes for eco-friendly vinyl often consume less energy, contributing to a lower carbon footprint during manufacturing. Indoor air quality: low-VOC, volatile organic compound, formulations help improve indoor air quality, making workspaces healthier for employees. Durability and longevity: eco-friendly ESD vinyl flooring is designed to be durable, minimizing the need for frequent replacements and reducing waste. Recyclability: at the end of their life cycle, ESD PVC tiles manufactured by E-Floors can be recycled, supporting a circular economy. Compliance with standards: we have a trip test report issued by SGS. Choosing eco-friendly conductive vinyl flooring combines safety and sustainability, a great choice for responsible businesses. ESD flooring solutions from E-Floors help protect sensitive equipment while supporting a healthier planet. See you next time.